Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get transfer pin on AT&T. So here is the first way you can get your AT&T transfer pin by dialing star port. For that you have to dial star 7678, then call to that number, and after that when you receive the call it will ask you to pop up your keypad. Then it will if you want to get know about or get you want to get the AT&T transfer pin, then you can just press 1 after the voice prompt that or voice advise you to press on 1 to get the transfer pin. Then it will just send a text message to your device where you will find your transfer pin easily. Now here's the another way that you can get your AT&T transfer pin using the My AT&T app. You just need to log into your AT&T application. Then you just need to tap on this more button here at the bottom right corner. Then from here you'll find manage profile. You can simply tap on manage profile. Then you'll find people and permission, and you can go to that people and permission tab where you will find request a new pin. Here in this section you just need to tap on it, and you will get the pin from that application through a notification. So that's how you can easily get the or you get the new pin, transfer new pin. You can create a transfer a pin, or you can request for a new pin also by this option. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.